everyone.
आज हम सीखेंगे इंग्लिश के और सेंटेंसेस. Yes. So, what are these?
Flower.
What?
Flower. These are flowers.
What did you say?
These are flowers.
These are flowers. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And 4.
4.
Yeah. So there are 4. So we call these, not this. These. THESE. These are flowers. What?
Flowers.
What?
These are flowers.
Yes. What did you say?
These are flowers.
Very nice.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain. Okay, so ये पर्दा है, curtain है ना? क्योंकि ये एक है, this is one, so we call it this is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
What?
This is a curtain.
Yes, this is a curtain. Nice. Okay.
This is flower pot.
Yes, this is a flower pot. What?
This is a flower pot. These are flower pots.
Yes, these are
Flower pots.
these are flower pots. All are flower pots, na plural, because they are more than one. So we call it these are flower pots.
Flower pots.
These are
Flower pots. These are flower pots.
what?
These are flower pots.
Yes, these all are flower pots. Very good. These are flower pots. Yes.
That cushion. This is another cushion. This is another cushion. Another cushion.
Yes, this is a neck cushion.
This is another cushion.
Yes, THIS, this singular. Okay. The this is a neck cushion.
Another cushion.
Yeah, this is
Another cushion.
a neck cushion. Yes, very nice. Yes.
This is a television. This is a television.
Yes, this is
a television. This is a television.
yes.
This is a television.
So this is a television. Yes, this is
A television.
a television. This is
Television.
yes.
This is a TV remote.
This is a TV remote. Show me, show me, show me. This is a TV remote. This is not cell phone. This is TV remote. What we do? We on the TV. We on the TV. Okay. With a TV remote. So this is
Remote.
a TV remote. This is
I'll put it in.
yeah, one more TV remote. So this is a
TV remote.
what?
This is TV remote.
These
This is TV remote.
yeah, अब 2 हो गए ना, अब 2 हो गए ना, so these are TV remotes. What?
Two
Yes, these are TV remotes. These
TV remotes.
yeah,
Remote.
these are
TV remote.
TV remote.
Remote.
What?
These are TV remotes.
These are TV remotes.
These are TV remotes.
Yes. No.
This is a baby chair.
Okay, this is a baby chair. What?
This is a baby chair.
This is a baby chair. Yes.
This is my water bottle.
This is your water bottle. What?
This is my water bottle.
This is your water bottle. Which color's water bottle is this?
Red.
Red. Okay. What?
This is my piggy bank.
Okay, this is your piggy bank. What did you say?
This is my piggy bank.
Yeah, this is your piggy bank. कौन सा एनिमल वो कर पिगी बैंक है आपका? Which animal is this?
Tortoise.
This is tortoise. Which color piggy bank it is?
Red.
Red color piggy bank. Okay, so this is tortoise, a red color piggy bank.
Go